how do we make our lessons a little more engaging? So let's hop into our virtual classroom. I'm down here. Okay. And let's say I was going to teach something like space. So this is just virtual backgrounds. What do we want to change that up? Let's say we want to teach a concept like the sun and the earth and how they work with each other. Well, do you see a problem right off the bat? Yes. They're definitely not the same size in real life. It's more like if we were standing on the earth, the sun would be way smaller. Right? It would look really small. But what in reality are we actually working with? In reality, the sun is massive and the earth is tiny. And to answer this question, does the earth go around the sun or does the sun go around the earth? The earth goes around the sun. Exactly. It goes around. You get my point. Right. Why does it do it? Well, gravity is one of the big reasons why. Okay. This is just a quick way for you to take a concept and make it a little more visual, helping your students see and show the concept rather than just talk about the concept.